Can we just talk about the fact that the most emo thing I have is a black tank top? To start really fast before I get into my video and the intro and everything, I just want to say a big congratulations to my giveaway winner. Her name is right here. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you. Thank you so much to everybody who participated and who entered. You guys are wonderful, and again, congrats to the winner. There will definitely be more in the future, so stick around and also subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's go ahead and get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So that was really peppy for what I'm about to undertake. Do. What? I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before. I've never even attempted this before, but I'm going to be doing my makeup emo. So this will be my first time, maybe my last time ever, attempting an emo makeup look. And I don't know what it was, I just like got inspired. I'm not sure what it was, I've been watching a lot of Gabby Hanna lately. And it just like inspired me, like, you know what, I've never done emo makeup before, and so I kind of want to try it. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be transforming my face, my hair to the best that I can without dyeing it or cutting it into an emo like style. And as far as clothes go, well, I'm sorry, but black tank top's what I got, because I'm a generally pretty colorful person. So as you can tell by my personality, I need to tone it down a bit. You see, it's just so unnatural for me. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm over here looking like Sandra Dee, and I'm about to turn into someone else. So I'm just starting by priming my eyes because I just feel like I can't go into this without priming my eyes. I'm gonna go into the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop Dream Street palette and take the shade Shooting Star to set down my eyeshadow. This isn't really part of it. By the way, you guys, this is not meant to be a tutorial because I have actually no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making it up as I go along and seeing if I look emo in the end. So I thought that I would start by putting down like a dark cream shadow. I'm gonna start by laying down this Mally shadow stick in the shade Chocolate Diamond. So this isn't black, but it's pretty dark. So I feel like this is gonna be a good base. I'm gonna try this one. It's a concealer brush. I think it's meant for cut creases, but I just feel like maybe this one will do the trick. Let's see. Ooh. I'm gonna try taking a smaller crease brush, blend out the edges with itself. Okay, that's starting to look more dramatic and blown out, which is good. So one other thing I thought about adding to this was like purple. It just felt like it would just add a little bit of something extra that I think I've seen girls do before. Thought I would check this BH palette here. It's one of their 120 color palettes. Let's see. Right here, it's pretty dark and pretty much what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna use a dusting of that with the same brush I was using to brush some of the black in the crease. And I'm not gonna do this very high, like right in the same place pretty much. I don't like that as much as I thought I was going to. So we're gonna go back into the black and put some more on top of that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this eye, and then I will continue when we get back. Okay, both eyes are now done, and I'm going to be moving on to the face. This is gonna be much simpler, I feel like, than my usual face. I don't have foundation that's way too light for me, but I do have this foundation that's a little too light for me and too yellow for me, so we'll see how that goes. It's my lightest foundation, so I'm gonna start with primer because I have to. And I'm using the NYX Angel Veil primer. Do I look emo yet? All right, so I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 01 in Creamy Vanilla. Oh yeah, this is too light for me, I think. I'm actually like really bad at telling when something is too light for me. Okay, so that's definitely not too light for me. It might even still be too dark for me. Definitely too yellow for me. I'm gonna go in with a very pink but very light concealer. It's from CoverGirl. It's already set gorgeous. And I am gonna do this similarly to how I usually would because I feel like it's gonna lighten up my skin tone quite a bit, and that is something that we want in this look. So okay, you guys, that's probably as best as I'm gonna do. I know it is not white, it is not bright faced. Now that my face is set, I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. I just feel like I've seen that a little bit. So I'm gonna do that, but not too much. Okay, so now we're going back to the eyes and we're gonna finish up like smoking out the under eye. I'm gonna do a little bit of a gel wing liner. I think I'm actually gonna put some of the gel liner under there and then like smoke that out with the black eyeliner. Is that gonna be overdue? Is that gonna be overkill? I don't care. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this Pretty Vulgar gel liner that I just got in BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line with that. I am going to smudge some black eyeliner on my lower lash line. Wish me luck. What do you think? I think that looks good. I am going to now go back into that eyeliner and maybe create a little bit of a wing. This is like the second time I've ever used gel eyeliner, so you'll have to excuse me. Okay, that looks so good. Well, I like it. I think it looks pretty sick, actually. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so my wings are uneven, but what else is new? And now it's time to do the eyebrows. I feel like the eyebrows should be pretty bold. Am I wrong in saying that? I'm gonna take this MAC spiked eyebrow pencil and I'm going to carve them out. I'm gonna make them pretty bold. I might fill them in with a gel, but let's see. I like it, actually. Ooh. I'm just gonna fill this in really quick with a gel. Last, I'm gonna do the lips. So I decided to do a fun combo of the Beeper lip liner from ColourPop. It gets a lot darker than what it looks like on here, and then I'm gonna go over it with a purple soft matte lip cream from NYX. And then we're gonna go ahead and put on this purple. It's the shade Warsaw from the NYX soft matte lip creams, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that over top of Beeper. And I'm going to take this headband off, transform the hair, and I'll be right back. Hey. Okay, you guys, there you have it. There's the final look, the final emo slash, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting a little bit of gothic vibes too from this. I don't know, I just felt like trying for the first time ever doing an actual emo look, and there it is. What did you guys think? How do you think I did? If any of you down in the comments are emo type makeup people, you should tell me if you think I did a good job or not. I would really like to know if you think there's anything I could have done differently, or if you feel like I did a pretty bomb job for the first time ever trying to do emo makeup. So I don't know, I feel pretty good about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me trying to make myself emo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe by hitting the tempting red button right down there below my video, and I will see you later. Bye. Because I am a colorful. That was cute. No. Licks.